Let's talk about a land way, not launching on how to fix us in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. But don't despair, fellow night runner. We've faced these shadows before, and together we'll cast the light on common culprits and reveal practical solutions to get a landwick running smoothly on your journey into the dark unknown finally begins here.
First things first, let's make sure your system is ready for the darkness. Ensure your graphics drivers, especially NVIDIA or AMD, are fully updated to the latest version. Outdated drivers are a frequent culprit for launch issues, often causing crashes before the game even begins. While you're at it, double-check that your Windows operating system is also completely up to date. Sometimes the problem lies within the game's own files, perhaps a corrupted download or a missing piece of data. Both the Epic Game Store and Steam offer a verified game files option. This tool scans your installation, compares it to the official files, and automatically redownloads anything that's damaged or missing. It's a quick and often effective fix that restores integrity to your game. It might sound simple, but running a landwick with administrator privileges can bypass numerous permissions-related issues. Right-click on the game's executable file or its shortcut and select Run as Administrator. You might also want to try setting the game's executable to always run in compatibility mod for a slightly older version of Windows, as this can sometimes resolve unexpected conflicts. Many third-party applications and in-game overlays can interfere with the landwick's launch process. Try temporarily disabling overlays from apps like Discord, DeForce, Experience, or Steam. Also, make sure to close any unnecessary background applications, especially antivirus software, which can sometimes mistakenly flag game files as threats. A clean system means less competition for your game.